number 4. That is in chapter number 4, which of the topics we have deducted, right? So let's firstly look at the topics that are under the chapter number 4. So you can tick mark in your book or either you can write also, bache. So the topics that we have to do is alignment, right? It's on page number 32. Then the topic is line spacing. Indentation is deducted. So cross this topic. This is not in our syllabus. Alignment, line spacing. Then is paragraph spacing. So this is with respect to chapter number 4. Chapter 5 is complete in our syllabus, right? In the chapter 4, some of the topics has been cut out. So one of them is indentation, right? Next topic, columns. Again, it is not the part of syllabus. Cut the topic column. Next is find, replace. So these topics we have to do. Next comes page margins, orientation, page size, next comes previewing a document, previewing and printing. So syllabus is clear for the chapter number 4 to everyone. Is it clear? So now we are going to revise it. So let's start with the commands first. Should I erase? Okay, take your time, do it. Only 2 topics from the chapter has been deducted, that is indentation and columns. Yes. Clear hai? Clear to everyone? Okay. Now write down, make a table for the commands. So we will be revising the commands today for the complete MS Word. That means chapter number 4 and 5 both. The commands given in both the chapters, right? So I am writing in the tabular form. You can write it anyway. You know now how to write the command. How to write the command? What is the syntax? Syntax for writing any command is, कैसे लिखते हैं command को हम? Tab name, then arrow, group name, then it's option, or you can say it button. Clear? So this is the general syntax for writing any command. So whenever the command is asked, that means you have to give the tab name, group name, option or button name, right? Now let's revise all the commands. Tab, group, so here I am writing the command. So whatever command is asked, so you have to tell the respective answer. Clear? So side by side make the table with me, and along with that you have to learn it also. We start. सबने टेबल बना लिया है. Everyone at home, give me the answer in the chat box. Let's start now. First command is alignment. To set alignment. So already you have given the test. So do you remember the command in the test? Yes. Because command for the alignment is very good. It's home tab, paragraph group, alignment option. Home tab, paragraph group, alignment option. Okay, let's continue. Home tab, paragraph group, then choose the desired alignment option. Choose the desired alignment option. Second command, learn it also, repeat after me. What is the command of alignment? Home tab. Once again, home tab, paragraph group, alignment option. Second command is line spacing. Line spacing. Yes, last girl. Very good. So the answer is home tab, paragraph group, choose desired line spacing option. Choose desired line spacing option. Done? Revised also? Side by side, बच्चे learn it. Home tab. So those who are attending from home, everybody repeat after me the commands. What is the command for alignment? Alignment of. I asked alignment. Home tab, paragraph group, alignment option. Line spacing, home tab, paragraph group, line spacing option. Okay. The third command, paragraph spacing. What is the command for setting the paragraph spacing? The command is page layout tab, page layout tab, paragraph group, enter the values in after or before box. You have to enter the value in the desired box. The box is after or before box. After or before box. Clear? Is it clear, बच्चे? Blackboard is visible to everyone. Reply me in the chat box. Okay. You people learnt it also. Next, Fourth command. Find. To find specific word. Yes. Home tab. Editing group. Find option. So once again, learn them. Alignment. What is the command of alignment? Home tab, paragraph group, alignment option. Once again, home tab, paragraph group, alignment option. Command for setting the line spacing. Paragraph group, line spacing option. Once again, learn the command. Home tab, line spacing option. Command for setting paragraph spacing. Layout tab, paragraph group. Very good. To find specific word. Editing group, find option. Once again, home tab. Next command, to replace the word. To replace the word. The command is the same command as in case of find. That is home tab. Very good. Home tab, editing group, replace option. Clear? Clear to everyone? 5 commands. Written also. So should I erase? Okay, take your time. Sixth command, to set page margins. To set page margins. The tab is good. Answer is page layout tab, page setup group, margins button. Page layout tab, page setup group, margins button. Done. Next, 7th command. To set page size. To set page size. Again, page layout tab, page setup group, size option. Size option. Noted? Kritagya, you have noted, bache? Yes? On your videos? On your videos? Myra, Kinjal, Arshpreet, Manmeet. You have noted it? Okay, next command, number 8. Page orientation. Once again, the command is page layout tab, page setup group, orientation button. Page layout tab, page setup group, orientation button. So you can see all the three commands are having the same tab, that is the common page layout tab, and the group is page setup group. So if the question is name the options under the page layout tab, what will be the answer? Margins, size, orientation. And if I am asking the options under page setup group, again the answer is same, that is margins, orientation and size. तीनों ऑप्शंस पेज लेआउट टैब के अंदर आ रही हैं और तीनों ऑप्शंस पेज सेटअप ग्रुप में आ रही हैं. सो द ऑप्शंस आर सेम. क्लियर है? ओके. द नाइन्थ कमांड, टू प्रिंट पेज. यस. फाइल टैब, no group is there. Print option, file tab, print option. Next is 10th, to preview the document बिफोर प्रिंटिंग. प्रिंट करने से पहले भी अगर आपने अपना डॉक्यूमेंट देखने हैं, सो द कमांड विल बी सेम. फाइल टैब, प्रिंट ऑप्शन. फाइल टैब, print option. Clear? So once again we will be revising these 5 commands now. To set page margin, layout tab, margins option. So everybody repeat the answer, learn it side by side. To set page size, page layout tab, size option. To set page orientation, orientation option. Very good. To print, file tab, print option. And in case you want to preview the document before printing, file tab, print option. Clear hai? Note it down, everybody. Now let's continue the other commands. Number 11. To insert clip art. Insert tab, illustrations group. Write down the spelling of illustrations very carefully. It's ILLUSTRATIONS. Illustrations group. Clip art option. Insert tab, illustrations group, clip art option. To insert picture. Very good. Insert tab, illustrations group, picture option. Insert tab, illustrations group, picture option. Done? Learned also? Number 13. Done? Okay. To insert shape. To insert any shape. Very good. Once again, the answer is same. Insert tab, illustrations group, shapes option. Number 14. Written till now, everyone? Anybody left behind? To insert word art. Very good. Insert tab, text group, word art option. Last command of both the chapters. So there are total 15 commands in total from both the chapters, that is chapter number 4 and 5. To insert symbols और स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स, कोई भी वर्ड हो सकता है. To insert symbols और स्पेशल कैरेक्टर. Insert tab, symbols group, symbol option. So clear बच्चे? All the commands you have learned it side by side. So now the last 5 commands we have to revise once again. To insert clip art, once again insert tab, illustrations group, clip art option. To insert picture, insert tab, illustrations group, picture option. To insert shapes, insert tab, illustrations group, shapes option. To insert word art, insert tab, text group, word art option. To insert any special character, insert tab, symbols group, symbol option. So done, bache? Any doubt till now? In any of the command, if you have missed any command, you can ask. Total 15 commands are there from both the chapters. Name the following buttons. Name the following buttons. Number 1. Draw it very carefully. Drawn. Draw properly. What is this? Justify. What is this? Center align. Next, left align. Next one, right alignment. You can see now it's along the right margin. So this is right align. It's margin, not page margin. The correct option name is margin. This button is used to set line spacing. Line spacing. Clear? Next. Orientation. This is size and this is orientation. So look at the buttons very carefully before attempting the answers. Justify alignment in this. Left and right margins with respect to that, the alignment is set. Center align, left align, right align, margins, line spacing, size, orientation. Clear, बच्चे? Yes, put it down. Today we revise chapter number 4 and 5, the commands, all the commands from the chapter MS Word and the buttons.